Welcome to this technical guide on the device. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your joystick is unresponsive or drifting, you're likely experiencing a common issue that can frustrate your gaming experience. This problem usually arises from wear and tear or a buildup of dirt inside the joystick mechanism. If left unaddressed, it can lead to poor performance and even permanent damage to your device. To fix this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement joystick. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing of your device, starting at the edge and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or components. Once you have access to the internals, locate the joystick module. This is usually situated near the center of the device and may be connected by a few screws or clips. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws holding the joystick in place, remembering to keep them safe for reassembly. If the joystick is connected by a ribbon cable, gently disconnect it using your tweezers, taking care not to damage the connector. Now, carefully extract the faulty joystick module from its housing. Take your replacement joystick and insert it into the same housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. Replace any screws you removed earlier, applying a gentle amount of pressure to ensure they are tight but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Once everything is in place, carefully snap the casing back together, ensuring all clips are aligned and secure. Finally, power on your device and test the new joystick to ensure it's functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent joystick issues in the future, it's a good idea to keep your device clean and free from dust and debris. Regularly checking for any signs of wear can also help you address problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.